Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1292 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is truly a Canandaigua Lake compound with 2 homes and more, with extensive waterfront. So let's take a tour.
The 3-bedroom, 2-bath main house features open waterfront living with a traditional cottage kitchen leading to an adjacent screened-in porch and a great room with a fireplace and a wall of windows with access to the wraparound deck that is right on the water with breathtaking views, all with a walkout lower level. South of the main house is an adorable cottage, great for guests with additional living space.
Just north of the main house is a one-of-a-kind boathouse for additional living space, all with an adjacent waterfront building lot providing many purchase options. Buy one or buy them all. You can have it all with this tremendous waterfront estate featuring a total of 450 feet of lakefront and 25 scenic acres. South Lake Road is a very special part of Canandaigua Lake. Plus, you get the afternoon sun and amazing sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1292 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!